In a moment of haunting revelation, Nala admits to Draylin that she killed the Chancellor while under activation protocol, completely unaware of her actions. Desperation fills her voice as she begs him to end her life before the haunting possibility of it happening again looms over them. Yet Draylin stands firm, refusing her plea, as they both grapple with the weight of what has transpired. Haunted by memories she cannot fully grasp, Nala struggles to piece together the fragments of her caught in a whirlwind of chaos and confusion. Draylin, meanwhile, weighs the implications of her admission. His heart heavy with the realization that the fight is not only against external threats, but also an inner battle for his friend. As despair washes over Nala, she sinks to the ground, grappling with the devastating truth of her own actions, feeling trapped within a nightmare she cannot escape. Draylin's internal conflict escalates. He realizes that while he must protect those around him, he cannot bring himself to harm the one he once considered a friend. With the rising sun as their backdrop, Nala and Draylin stand at the precipice of a new beginning, ready to face the trials ahead that will determine their fate. In this moment of clarity, Nala resolves to confront her demons, knowing that the path she chooses could lead to redemption or destruction. As they engage in combat, Nala finds herself battling not only adversaries, but also the dark shadows of her past, each strike bringing her closer to liberation. In a moment of clarity, she breaks free from the chains of her former self, embracing her strength and resilience amidst the chaos. At the precipice of the Flame Mountains, Nala stands victorious, her soul ignited with newfound strength and clarity, embodying the woman she was destined to become. With Draylin by her side, they realize that together, they have forged a bond that transcends trials, paving the way for a brighter future. As the sun sets over the Flame Mountains, Nala and Draylin share a quiet moment of reflection, acknowledging the journey that has brought them closer together. In this serene silence, they find comfort in each other's, knowing that no matter the challenges ahead, their bond will guide them through. Facing a room filled with leaders from across the land, Nala and Draylin stand resolute, ready to reveal the truth about Cartel's tyranny. This moment is charged with anticipation as they prepare to ignite a movement that will transform the future of their world. With fire in her heart, Nala addresses the audience, unearthing the truth about Cartel's oppressive reign, her words resonating as a call to action. The room fills with whispers, a palpable shift occurring as the attendees grapple with the ramifications of her revelations. Emboldened by Nala's courage, Draylin steps forward, presenting irrefutable evidence that dismantles Cartel's facade, igniting a spark of hope among the attendees. As whispers ripple through the crowd, the weight of this moment signals a turning point where unity could prevail over division. As Nala and Draylin share a moment of understanding, they feel the momentum shift, realizing that their fight for peace is resonating deeply with those around them. One by one, leaders rise to their feet, lending their voices to the call for justice, signaling a united front against tyranny. With a surge of passion, the leaders unite, their chants echoing through the hall, drowning out and paving the way for a collective stand against oppression. Nala and Draylin, witnessing this powerful display of unity, realize that they have ignited the spark of a revolution. Nala raises her voice passionately, calling on the gathered leaders to rise up and take action against Cartel, her fervor awakening a profound sense of purpose in the crowd. The emotional weight of her words touches hearts, igniting a collective resolve to pursue justice. Draylin stands by Nala's side, hand raised high, declaring their unwavering commitment to dismantle Cartel's regime. The audience erupts in applause, their spirits lifted, marking the inception of a powerful coalition ready to forge a new future together. As triumph fills the air, Nala and Draylin exchange knowing smiles, realizing that their dream of unity is within reach. The leaders, hand in hand, symbolize a newfound resolve, ready to face the challenges ahead together. With steely determination, Nala analyzes the intricate layouts of Cartel's AI war engine, knowing that her heart core holds the key to their victory. Draylin stands close, filled with a bittersweet pride for the journey ahead, and fully aware of the sacrifice she is prepared to make. As Nala touches the holographic display, her resolve hardens. She knows that self-detonation is the only way to stop Cartel. Draylin watches with a heavy heart, torn between admiration for her bravery and the pain of impending loss. With a voice full of unwavering strength, Nala promises her allies, "I'll be the ghost that saves us." Her words resonating like a battle cry. The gathering watches in awe, united by her courage, ready to honor her sacrifice with their own fight for freedom. As Nala stands resolute before the gargantuan war engine, her silhouette embodies the spirit of sacrifice and bravery. Meanwhile, Draylin remains by the exit, tears of sorrow in his eyes, clutching a cherished token from Nala, knowing that he must live on with her memory.